Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I'm going to show you how to get the little toasty from Tarte makeup look, from the eyeshadow to everything in those photos. I am first starting with my eyeshadow. Here you can see the palette and the colors I am using for this look. First I'm starting with a base, applying that base color through most of the eye. And just a reminder, right before this I did put a primer on, especially with this eyeshadow. It is a clay formula, so you do want something else to just give it that extra hold. As I'm applying this darker shades, I exaggerated like where you need to kind of focus on. So like you're making that moon crevice, but you want to focus on the crease of your eye. That's where you really want to blend those darker colors. Next, I want to talk about this amazing deal from Sephora. Cosmetics do not have to be costly. You saw that picture. You can get 3 of these palettes, the mini Tarte palettes, for $64. It's a total of 27 shades. I love this because you get 15 extra shades for just $13 more. So really, it's such a good deal, and with all 3 of these palettes, like, they are beautiful, the colors are amazing. You can do so much, it's so versatile. You can just mix and match between all of them. So it really, I love this. I just bought this off of Sephora and I am in love. Like I said before, why get 1 palette for $51? Why don't you get 3 for just a bit more and 15 more shades? So that is my cosmetics do not have to be costly tip of this video. Now I'm just applying my eyeliner. Yes, I am a noob. I am a makeup artist, but I do not know how to wink. So that's how I do it. I've been doing that since I was 15, so personally, it's the fastest way and it makes it very clean. So I'm just applying my eyebrows. I'll be doing individual tutorials. On this one, I just decided to really just focus on the eyeshadow look. So you can just follow along with this tutorial. I'm going to do another one about this Smashbox contour pencil. I love it. I also got an amazing deal from Winners with this. I believe it was $20 that I bought this contour pencil, and it's originally around $60. So make sure to follow me for more amazing deals. I'm going to do a lot more individual makeup tutorials, and along with it, how and where I got these amazing products from. And most of them are around 70% off that I found in most of my makeup. So you will notice that I continually kind of go within a 3. So from my temple to my cheekbone to under my jawline, it's like in a blended 3 shape. Contour in the best way possible. When in doubt, just blend it all in. You want it to look as natural as possible. Now applying my blush. I'm going with my temples in an upward motion. That's going to naturally lift the looks of your face. I'm going to lightly apply a bit of shimmer. You don't want to look like a disco ball, ladies. I'm going to apply just under in my waterline, in my eyes. It's going to just add that like extra pop and just really make your eyes bright. I am applying just like where the light shines on your face first. You just want it to be subtle. You don't want to be too much, just to accentuate those highlights on your face. Now I'm just defining those little last moments with a little bit more of a darkening contour just to really bring it out. And now the lips. I got this NARS Power Matte Pigment set of 3 from Winners for 77% off. I absolutely love it. I prepped my lips before this and it's beautiful. I love it. this is where I got it. I love it so much. I have another post about it. Check out my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and comment below what you thought of this. I would love to hear it. Hope you're all doing well. Bye!